All right, y'all, so these are the disposal cleaners. It's a citrus scent. Let's see if they work. I'm gonna do this with you guys here so you can see if you want this product or not. It is from Active. They did send me this, but again, we're gonna do this together. So when we open it up, oh, that's really cute. I think, you know, they also give you a little calendar. You're supposed to do this twice a month for best results. To my knowledge, since we moved in, we have never cleaned our garbage disposal. I know, don't judge me, but just not something that's been on our mind. Cute little package. You know, you can obviously take these out and put them in something different, or you can keep them here. So the directions say if it's your first time or it's been a while, you use 2. So we will be using 2. All right, so when I flip it over, I'm going to read the directions. You basically ensure the disposal is empty, so run a full stream of hot water for 1 minute, then reduce it to a slow trickle. For a single basin sink, you turn the faucet away from the drain. For the double basin, you run water in the non-disposable drain to help contain the foam. You unwrap, place 1 tablet or 2 into the disposal, then run the disposal for 1 minute. If the foam rises into the sink, continue running the disposal and water until the foam drains. Rinse any remaining foam from the sink and turn off disposal. So let's do it. All right, putting them down. That's it. I will say it does smell citrusy. It smells a lot better than what it smelled like before. So yeah, I think they work. So I'm looking down now, and the one piece that was like absolutely disgusting is really clean. So yeah, I'm gonna say this really works. So if you're looking for, you know, a garbage disposal cleaner, I highly recommend this one.